Oh, I'm gonna slap you so hard.
Alright, you guys, let's try to record another video. It's been a while. I just had Starbucks. That was good. I'm gonna go get gas right now. Yeah. I don't know what to talk about. I'm just kind of driving around today. I don't work until like later in the morning tomorrow, so I could stay out a little later. Yeah. I lied. I do have a couple of things to do, or to talk about, my dumbass. I'm gonna pause the recording while I'm getting gas, and then I'll resume back with you guys. After I get some gas. So I'll be right back with you guys. Alright, welcome back. Just got gas, full tank, boys. There was a couple of things I wanted to talk about. A biker. Where are you going? Oh, he's going right. Alright. So, regarding my YouTube channel, as you guys know, I don't really have a upload schedule. I'm just kind of, not gonna lie, I'm just kind of, because this is my first YouTube channel, I'm just kind of fucking around, seeing what works for me, other things I can do. I am not a professional video editor or editor for anything of any sort. I don't know if I'm making sense right now, but I just started my YouTube channel for, you know, just uploading my videos or something and sharing it with people. But I've been getting a couple of subscribers, people I don't even know, which I'm really freaking excited about. And I've been consistently, right, spell it out, consistently getting some views on my channel in general. About a view a day. And for me, it is really cool for me, because I never even expected to make it to, hell, 20 subscribers. Now I'm at 21, 22 subscribers, somewhere around there. And I'm consistently getting, you know, a view a day, which is, for me, it's crazy. I know it sounds hella stupid because other people have hundreds of thousands of millions of views a day, and I'm just excited over one view a day consistently. So it's nothing crazy, but it's crazy for me, and it's making me really excited about my YouTube channel. And it's making me want to do more for my YouTube channel and just kind of experiment and, you know, try new things. But yeah, before we go on, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, you know, the jazz. Let me know if you guys prefer or what kind of videos you guys prefer. You know, do you prefer me speeding around, just doing stupid shit? Sorry, I'm winded out for some fucking reason. But yeah, the thing I wanted to say is I've been working on business cards for my YouTube channel, so it could help me grow in a way. And I'm recording this on a Wednesday or Thursday. It's a Thursday, and I finished with my designer and everything a couple of days ago, and I already purchased a quantity. What is she trying to do? Of 1,000 cards, and I should have them around Monday or Tuesday. And I hope for, you know, little things I could just give it around to people and just, you know, help my channel grow. But yeah, that's like the biggest thing I'm super freaking excited about. But yeah, business cards for my YouTube channel. Really stoked about them. I will show them off to you guys when I get them, which should be, like I said, Monday, Tuesday, possibly Wednesday, if not by the end of next week. And that's the biggest updates I have for you guys. There's also another one. I quit my job at Starbucks as a barista trainer. Sorry, I'm just trying to get my thoughts together before saying anything. I quit my job at Starbucks as a barista trainer, and I got a job offer with a company called Sunrun, and they pay me more, or they are going to pay me more than Starbucks ever has, which I've been working with Starbucks for 2.5 years on the exact day that will be my last day with Starbucks. So, you know, getting minimum wage for Starbucks is just ain't it for me, and I need to have a much higher income. Well, I don't mean like much higher, but I need to have a better income, which I'm not worried about, you know, paying bills and whatnot, but whatever, you guys don't fucking care about that. I'm going to have a new job. It's basically a 9-to-5 type of job, which is not Starbucks, which is, I'm happy. I'll have better hours and better pay and all that jazz. I feel like that person is following me. Was she? Yeah. Hi! Oh my god! Hey! Yes! We got a kid wave. Oh, this happens so rare, but it's such a good feeling. Oh my god. Yes! Anyway, that distracted me. That was really cute. Oh my god. I don't know if the camera picked it up, but there was a really cute little boy waving at me. I was like, ah! And yeah. Anyway, that was the best thing that's happened to me probably all freaking day and week. But yeah, new job. Possibly if I work things out with my new job and I kind of I like it and I don't end up going to my job at Starbucks, which I really hope. I will try to work on a YouTube schedule for, a upload schedule for my YouTube videos, which I'm also really excited and stoked about. But yeah, right now I'm just kind of recording and uploading videos. Not that there's anything wrong with that. Sorry, just had to show off my mighty R3 power. Sorry. Sometimes I am impressed with the cars that I could keep up with and even race and win and beat with an R3. Like, I don't know why, sometimes this motorcycle impresses the living shit out of me. But yeah, those are the updates that I wanted to give you guys. Not that anyone's probably gonna fucking care. Just, you know, for anyone curious or where my YouTube channel's going. Right now, hey, get off your phone. Hey, really? Really? Oh my god. Literally texting and driving, not giving a damn. I fucking hate people like that. Put your fucking phone down. Jesus Christ. Anyway, yeah, I literally started this YouTube channel for just, you know, recording some shit, uploading it, sharing it with people so people could see the shit we go through as bikers. You know, maybe later on in life, if, you know, YouTube becomes a thing that I'm really passionate about, and, you know, which I am passionate about YouTube right now. Like, I'm really fucking excited. Every time I upload a video, I'm like, ah! You know? But I'm so excited, you know, I'm getting views constantly every day that I never expected. And, you know, I'm not a professional video editor. I'm not a professional video recorder. I literally bought a GoPro and I was like, all right, let's attach it to my helmet. Let's, you know, record a few things, show people what the shit we could do as a biker. And yeah, that's the shitty videos you guys have been getting from me. But yeah, my YouTube channel, you know, we're just kind of taking it a step at a time. I am really fucking happy to, you know, be doing YouTube shit. But yeah, that's sort of a mini update. You know, the little things coming up, my YouTube channel. You know, with my new business cards that I'm getting, you could definitely expect videos to be coming out with, you know, me giving it out to people, you know, the reactions and things like that, which I'm really fucking excited about. I feel like these business cards could definitely increase my YouTube subscribers and view counts and all that. So I'm really fucking excited about that. Like I said again, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, show some love. Tell me, you know, for anyone who's riding, tell me what bike you started on, you know, comment. I love reading comments. I had a lot of people leave me comments on a few videos ago. I fucking love that shit. I love reading and knowing that people watch my videos, enjoy them, and also leave comments. I love that. Anyway, this is going to be the end of this video. It's probably not going to be a long video. A lot of parts probably going to be edited out. But anyway, again, like, comment, subscribe. Love you all. See you guys in the next one. Peace.